Welcome for a budget meal that anyone can enjoy. I love kale and there's this simple recipe that can make it absolutely effortless. But it's also part of my journey of going from being an amateur chef, like truly amateur, to a professional one day. So this is the way I make it, the way I cook it. All you need is kale and onions, a popular Kenyan combination. You dice up the onions and you're going to need a lot. Then start cooking up. I love the crunch and sweetness of onions, but it's good to let it cook enough until it browns lightly and softens. I think this is about right. If you like it more crunchy, you can always give it more time. It looks lovely. It's time to put in your kale. I've washed them and they're unboiled, which is how I love it. But I've washed them very thoroughly to make sure that there are any germs or insects or anything within it. And they're going to cook perfectly. Stir and stir. Add salt and other spices just as soon as the kale hits the fire, and then mix it all in. Let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. For me, I prefer my kale a bit crunchy still, but you can cook a bit longer until the green darkens. This is perfect for me. Let's serve. Tasting time. This is a Kenyan staple. Kale and onions with a nice pound of garlic is delicious. I think it's delicious, honestly. Still crunchy, but not too tough to chew through, and the spices help out a lot. Delicious. Nothing gets better than that. So try it out and subscribe.